Perhaps you can do a fellow. First things first, head to the wreck of me ship, the Carole Anne. My one true love. Oh, aside from the sea, but he's gone now, so I guess he's left the ship. An age ago, me and the lads made off with a set of pearls from a shrine to Chumberlee. The bastard queen whose guilty visage stands beside me. For our transgression, there she be, my sweet Carole Anne. Now keep your eyes about you. The pearls can't be far. That's as may be, Chumberlee, but I'm hard-pressed to spot any weeds about these sands. Well done, matey. There are 3 more lying about somewhere. Quickly now. Aye, and now look at you, Queen of Puddles, Lady of the lowest tide ever seen by sailors' eyes.
Ready to cast! Well, it's settled, isn't it? You little rot blossom.
Oh, this one? The tilt-a-whirl.
I'm going to eat your brain! I'm not afraid. I'm not a zombie. I just really don't like it. Good teamwork! Good teamwork! Ow! Ow! Ah, no!
Cartography.
Nicely managed, matey. That be the lot of them. Quick and back for your payment. Yarr, I knew you had it in you. Now, proffer those pirated pearls, if you please.
Those pearls belong to me. Return them to my shrine, lest you earn my ire, mortal.
I'm not fool enough to cross the gods. Payment be damned.
You pileless bag of blackened bills! scum! We had an arrangement! I'll